What's up, guys? It's Joey, and we're in Elsinore this weekend at Lake Elsinore Raceway. That's right, we're gonna watch some drag racing in the sand.
Because in the dirt, you just don't know what it's going to do. I mean, you get in there, when you smash the throttle, I mean, it can go any direction.
This is SoCal Sand Drags, and it looks like quite the turnout. We got over 50 cars, and there's some freaking variety here. Let's find out about this event together and have some fun this weekend. Let's run it. What? What? Oh, great. This is absolutely loud and nuts. It's fucking sweet. What? There is quite the variety of vehicles here. This is interesting. You got stuff like this going on. Guys getting towed. We got some vendors. We got TJ Tacos. Pretty solid fucking food lineup here, dude. Bacon wrapped steak kebabs, tacos. There's something else on TJ Tacos. What's this one? Be Kind? Shaved ice. Ah, shaved ice. What else we got? Outlaw barbecue. Oh shit. Oh yeah, there it is. We'll have to let you guys know how that tastes. That guy is ready to fill my belly. Say what?
Runs a 436 on the right.
You guys see the skydiver?
72.9.
Skydiving, drag racing. There's motocross way over there. All right here in Lake Elsinore. It's a crazy place. It's a crazy place, dude, that you didn't even know existed. Dabadoo. What, you guys out there running your feet to get this thing going? Or?
Oh, yeah, well, if we have to catch up, that's what we do. We use our feet.
You kick the floor pans out and you run yourself?
Yeah, you'll see them hanging down.
That's a sweet graphic for this car.
Yeah.
How long have you gentlemen been doing this?
I think Terry, the owner of it, he's been doing it like 30-some years. And I've been racing for 50-some years, but only the dirt racing for 5 years.
You've been ripping these monsters on asphalt your whole life?
Yeah, yeah, pretty much.
You're still going, you won't quit?
No, not yet.
That's awesome. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
80.
What's your time at 80 behind the wheel of this thing?
This one, our index is 2.95. So 2.95 seconds.
Jeez. Pray to God when I'm your age I can still be doing that kind of crazy. That's awesome.
It's 300 feet, so it's like about 120 mile an hour.
You guys are getting after it.
Yeah, it's a rush. So well, that and then try to get the younger generation enthused in it and whatnot, you know.
Get us going.
So.
Well, I can tell you I'm enthused.
Yeah, that's what's coming up, going to replace us, so.
Hey, and you know what? We got to. We can't let it end.
We got to keep it going.
We got to keep it going.
Yeah.
So, well, I'll let you guys get back to work. You look busy.
Okay.
Thanks for letting me ask you some questions.
Yeah, you're more than welcome, so.
I really liked your decal, so I was like, we got to go talk to these guys.
We have another one, too. He's Fred. I'm Barney. So, so he looks like a Fred, doesn't he?
He does.
He really does. Yeah.
You look like a Barney.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's racing, isn't it? Yeah. This is what it takes. They're supposed to be up on the line in half an hour, and there's a problem, and the guy who drives the car is underneath it right now, making that problem go away. Drive shaft's missing.
How you doing?
Good. My name's Joey.
Nice to meet you, Joey. Jim DePass.
Jim DePass. So this whole sport is brand new to me. I've been going to the desert for a while,
Yeah.
you know, pre-runners, all that fun stuff.
all that.
Had no idea about sand drags and that you guys had a whole official sport. So tell me, this thing was a Jeep. How did we get to where we are now?
Yeah, back in the 70s, my dad got into Jeeping and cavalcade and off-road and all the stuff, and next thing you know, it just got bigger and bigger, and we had nitro in with a 392 cast iron Hemi engine. It was just different. We went racing on the asphalt for years, and we put this together. It had a small block in it at one point, and it just, you know, more power, and now it has a big Hemi in it, and the block is from John Force. The heads are from Antron Brown's car. We just pieced it all together, and it's a bad boy. It's 3,000 horsepower, and it's a nasty ride. Like Corey Mack's driven Larry's car, and a few of the other asphalt drivers, and they say it is the nastiest thing they've ever driven. Because in the dirt, you just don't know what it's going to do. I mean, you get in there, when you smash the throttle, I mean, it can go any direction. If it's a little bit hard on one side, it's nasty.
Right. It's got to be a whole different ball.
It is a rush, and sometimes the scariest part about the whole thing is shutting it down at the other end. Because once you let off, it's almost like throwing a hammer across the floor, because you got this big ass motor over here, and the back end's light. It wants to spin around on you and stuff. But
It's like trying to hit the brakes on a boat.
oh yes, a jet boat or something like that. When you let off real quick. We're
Run
running
it well.
Yeah, we got her wicked up this time. We ran a 68 yesterday, and we got her wicked up. If it can stay straight, it's gonna haul ass.
All right. Well, hopefully she stays straight.
We want to be #1 qualifier. That's our deal.
Right on.
So yeah.
Awesome.
Thanks for coming by.
Yeah. Thank you for talking to me. I appreciate it. Well, guys, that's racing for you. Jimmy had let us know to come on back when he was getting ready to start his car up, and he ran into a problem. So now Jimmy's under his car trying to figure out that problem. So that's how racing be, guys. We came back to go see Jimmy start up his car, and we found him in peril. He had the whole drivetrain torn out of the vehicle. Something was wrong with the transmission shielding, and they couldn't adjust the clutch. So, you know, that's how racing goes. You gotta get down and dirty sometimes and make shit happen if you want to be here. So it's cool to see. It's cool to see old guys and young guys and everybody all alike. They're all just fucking out here trying to have a good time and make their cars run good, you know? Get across that 300 foot. Cool group of people. Definitely family friendly. I'd say you're wasting your weekend not being here. Last weekend we were out at Powwow and we ran into these crazy kids driving a Class 11 bug, and well, bam, there it is. We're here to watch Chris run some laps. The Van Evers had us out. It should be a fun day. Let's see what they can do.
So I went.
Hey, what's up, Joey?
How you doing? How we feeling today?
Good, man.
You ready to rip?
We're good, yeah. Well, we should be good, hopefully. You guys with the drone?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like, let's see if he knocks it out of the air with the freaking mud trails. Man.
Right.
'Watch out here on a Saturday at the SoCal Sand Drags. Good to have you guys out here with us. .3 miles an hour.
Well, guys, 2 days out of Lake Elsinore Raceway. The SoCal Sand Drags are freaking sweet. All right, it's not a whole lot of in-your-face action. All right, it's chill out, relax, watch some awesome cars fly by really fast, and then, you know, chill out, and then wait, and then bam, more cars, and then you're chilling. And you go get some food from the vendors, some sick birria.
All right, baby.
And then, you know, it's a good time. 10 out of 10, recommend. Bring the family, bring everybody. Bring grandma ear protection though, okay? Grandma needs ear protection.